how to fix your Xbox black screen issue in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to be mentioning all the things that you can do, so buckle up and let's get it. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check the basics. You want to make sure that your TV is turned on and set to the correct HDMI input, okay? Ensure the HDMI cable is also securely connected to both Xbox and TV, and try a different HDMI cable or HDMI port on your TV if it's still not working. You can also power cycle your Xbox, meaning you want to press and hold the Xbox button on your controller for 10 seconds and wait for the console to completely shut down, unplug the power cord and wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. If that still doesn't work, you want to simply check your TV and display settings and make sure that your resolution is set correctly. If that is not the case, you can also try to restart your game or Xbox in a lower resolution. If it's still not working, you want to try to unplug any extra devices that have been connected with your Xbox, or if nothing works, you want to simply go ahead and take it to the nearest Xbox store. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.